Hello viewer, it's a video tutorial about Photoshop, how you can use the features of Photoshop by using the designs here. So let's explore the different options and then use the gradient tool. Correct. I will make the custom shapes here using the designs around it. Add a paint there. So let's find the different options. I will take a picture there. I will take that structure again into it. So these are the paints we have to